Welcome to MyBinding.com. This is the Stanley Bostitch Easy Squeeze 75 sheet stapler. With a simple press, staple through more pages easier. It uses special easy staples under the shown product number. If you ever forget which staples, it says right on the stapler which to use. To load the staples, press the button at the top to disengage the shaft. Pull it out from the front and insert your staples in. Push it back in all the way and you're ready. The handle is specially designed to require less force to get through the pages, though for best results, push down quickly when stapling. Here's a final wraparound look at the stapler.